Move!
Hello, here's the demonstration video of the myBlee Math Teacher Dashboard, an online tool that you can use in conjunction with the myBlee Math application to better organize your students' work. First, I fill in my details to log into my personal account. One small thing to note is that we can change the language by clicking on the different flags. Next, I click on the small menu in the top left with the 3 lines to navigate the dashboard. The 2 pages on which I will spend most of my time today are the 2 main pages where you will probably spend most of your time: Work of the class and Student assignment. Before we begin, I want to clarify that if you see a gray triangle on your dashboard, it means it's a drop-down menu. So if I want to switch from one class to another, say I have several different classes, I click on this little gray triangle and switch from one to the other. Today, I only have one, but if you have several, they will all appear in this drop-down menu. Now, I'm going to click on Student Assignment and begin. This is the page where I can assign different modules to students. How does it work? Here, I select and assign modules. I give them to specific students. Then on the myBlee Math app, once I've assigned the modules, the student can go to the suggestions page directly on their iPad, marked by the little light bulb icon. Thus, each student will see the work that has been assigned to them. To assign the modules, I choose one or more modules from this drop-down list. You can also type keywords into the search bar. I select the module, then I select the students. I can assign the module to a particular student or to a group of students or to the entire class. Don't forget to click on the Assign button. Now, I'll show you how to unassign a module from a student. I can either click on the X here to unassign a module from a particular student, or search for the module. Click on the student or the entire class and then on the Deassign button. Once this is done, this exercise disappears from the work suggestions made to the students. Now, let's go to the page titled Work of the Class. This is a handy overview of the class's progress on current modules. The modules that you have assigned to the whole class appear first, up to a limit of 5 modules. You can change and select other modules that you wish to monitor, for example, modules that you would have assigned to a small group of students. Remember, don't forget to click on the Submit button when you select the module. It's important to note that you can assign more than 5 modules in the Student Assignment section, but only 5 modules will be viewable at a time on this page. To track students' progress in the different modules, we will use Merriam as an example again. The dark blue squares indicate that the student has completed levels 1 and 2 of the polygon perimeter exercise with a perfect score of 100. To recognize parallel lines, Merriam completed level 1 with a perfect score, and the light blue square indicates that she completed level 2 with a rate above the 80 threshold. You can adjust the tracking settings to suit your needs. Just drag the bar to the right. The red boxes indicate scores lower than the settings you previously selected. Note that these settings do not affect the student's experience on the iPad. In the myBlee Math Content section, you can review the different categories and modules, tables and graphs, math word problems, measure volumes and masses. I select, for example, measure lengths, and I can see the modules of this category. By hovering over the modules, I can read a summary and the objective of this module. The My Account tab is mainly for changing your interface language. This does not affect the iPads of the class. The language change, English, French, Spanish, for the students is done directly in myBlee on their iPads. If you wish to add or remove a student profile, contact us and the myBlee technical team will take care of it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at this address. We are, of course, open to any suggestions for using the dashboard based on your experience. Thank you for choosing myBlee Math.